Welcome back, guys. Crypto Follow channel. Today we'll talk about hot targets updates with my customer Chris. What's going on now? So guys, take a look. This is a chart what I posted in my bull run plan video. Basically, the targets 0.5 level by FIP like 110.66. It's most positive target. What I can say about this token. Why? Because we get two sides, like good and the bad. The good moment, now 100% tokens in circular supply. So this is some old token which tradable on the market, I guess, since here, it's February 19. I guess if we double check the global here chart, even earlier, since April 18. But anyway, we go to Binance here, and 100% tokens unlock it. No, not vesting shadow, nothing. So all tokens into the market. So I guess if the market makers, if the venture funds got a plan to push the price higher and make money with this token, because we can't know what they got in a plan. It's just a pure speculation, nothing special for everyone who all the time during this downfall talk about some fundamental stuff about, we going to the moon because of, and talk some trash talks, right, guys? Take a look. This is a result of your fundamental. So fundamental of this token at 3 cents, absolutely same like at 0.201. So what's the difference? What changed it in the fundamental? Nothing. So this is just a pure speculation. So take off your pink glasses and look realistically. Stop watching the hopium, just only the hopium videos. Just build realistic plan and trade these speculative virtual internet tokens. Nothing more. At the end, you're here for the money. So it's good. It's good. 177 billion tokens in circular supply for everyone who wait, like usual. The people, when they see the token with a few zeros or even with the 1 cent price, they always ask, is it possible to we hit the $1? When $1? This is the most popular comment ever. Never. Basically never, guys. You understand, right? So $1, 177 billion market capitalization. So I hope one day the people will start educate themselves, and look realistically and not stuck next time in the tokens. So the highest point of the market capitalization being like 5.5 billion. So at 1 cent price, we can use, and how we can use this free calculator, for the market capitalization, what I posted in the free Telegram channel also. So here's total supply, 1 cent price, 1.71 billion 776 million market capitalization. So let's say 2 cents, 3.5, 3 cents. Once again, the new all-time high. Do you believe in new all-time high for this token? I'm not. Why? Because we can't compare the cycle of 2020, 2021 with the current moment. Why? Because I already made a post also in Telegram. Now we at that moment on the total capitalization of altcoins at the top, like it was here, like it was in November, October. But take a look the prices of the tokens. A lot of brand new tokens joined the market in recent 4 years. So that's the point. It's not enough to push all tokens higher to the new all-time high because too much tokens. We get a limitation by liquidity inflow. So there's not unlimited money into the market. So the money just rotated from the token to the token. And I never hear some crazy marketing stuff about this token. Just the silence in feed. That's why, guys, first of all, we need some hype around this token. The second one, if we count from the all-time low, what leave it here in June. Take a look. The low was in June, somewhere 5. So from that low, 0.3072, we bounced it to 0.201 and to 0.5 level by FIP to sweep this liquidity pool and test 0.5 level by FIP with a weak candle. It will be like 2,200% gains, maybe even 2,500% gains. So 1 10th and 9 it's going to be 3.3 billion market capitalization. It will be more than enough to finish the ride for this token. It's the most positive case scenario, guys. It's just my personal opinion. You can have absolutely your own. The zone's still relevant until the token tradable on exchanges. We are inside 27 blocks. So this FIB absolutely relevant since first video what I posted about this token in zone 23, I guess, or zone 24. I don't remember exactly. So I recommend you in educational purpose, go and double check that video. So the trouble areas, guys. First of all, we now bounce it and reject at a buy line on a weekly here. We trade inside 27 block, 0.202 and 19, 0.3028. It's all a zone for accumulation. Nice one. So the middle term target, if we'll see the August positive one, you can be sure you can withdraw your initial deposit only if we will go to that target. So we trade now at this point here. So 139% you can withdraw initial deposit. After that will be the exit line, 171%, and the reward will be to sweep this high liquidity pools. So more than sure we're gonna test 0.206. Everybody we're gonna scream we go to the moon. Maybe even test the monthly gap. This one, 639%. After that we should go lower, right? Correction, everybody's screaming we go into hell again and trap it again because we go higher probably to my target. If not, guys, time will show us. Now with this current, we can't know the future, but you build a plan. You build a plan, when to in, when to out, just a logical plan. So based on this model, now the reasons for accumulation, if this is not a pure scam and if this token will be not delisted from exchanges. So everything relevant until this token tradable on exchanges because we need liquidity for trades. We are inside 27 block for accumulation. We reject, but inside the range between the buy line and the fundamental value of this token on weekly, right? On a monthly, there is no data yet. Daily. So I wish to see the test of the buy line. It's going to be just a perfect scenario. Test of the buy line 0.3067. It's a new all-time low. That's why I don't think so. We're going to see this one. Let's go back to the 12-hour time frame. So I think we will test the 12 time frame line, but it will be around here, I guess. It will be around 0.3085 in August. After that test, we can talk about a potential uptrend move. That's why, guys, now all eyes how we will close this week, how we'll close this month, and what will be with the BTC dominance, because you saw, so whenever BTC dominance going down, the alts pump it, and even the hollow pump it a bit, and we pump it like 87%, not that much like other tokens. For example, the random penguin token Pengu pump it 1000% gains. That's why, guys, this is a way how the market makers trade the tokens. Nobody care about that fundamental. Everybody here for the money. And if it's not about like, oh, Pengu is some special meme token. It's not only you can say, oh, they always pump and dump the meme token. No, guys, you can open the chart of, for example, the Zora. It's not a meme token, but this token pump at 400%. And hold, just pump it 87. Because the more interest in the fresh new tokens than trade old one. So I'm more than sure we're not gonna hit the all-time high. Most negative case scenario, of course, if the exchanges delete this token, but also most horrible scenario if we just reach 1.7 billion market capitalization, around 23 LBF, just close monthly gap, and that's it. This is also just a negative case scenario, but I'm more about this one. So 3 billion market capitalization can be real if something good happening around this token. Maybe just like speculations. And let's double check what's going on with this token with my customer reset on a weekly time frame. Here was accumulation, and then we formed the huge weekly divergence. Of course, it's kind of risky to buy this token. I need to double check what's going on a Twitter, on their social. Maybe they plan some updates like usual, some roadmap, some partnership. We need some marketing, for this token. Technically, it's good. Technically, it's good because we formed the awareness. The same story, we need to see the distribution here and Continuation. The whales accumulate. The whales accumulate here, pump. Here, pump, distribution. Here, accumulation. So I'm more than sure, like speculation, soon we can see the upside move. But we need to be careful with this token, guys. Because at any moment, the Binance can add this token under monitoring tag, like many others. Market's mood, it's total depression, total disbelief zone for this token. So this is not a distribution, not an euphoria. If we talk about a local swings, at least we can test a 0.18 level by FIB, 0.2024. This one, 0.5 level by FIB. So this, bam. Take a look how it played out previously. So it's happening all the time, guys. Here, pam. Yes, it's so simple, right? But it is what it is. So the market makers just trade this movement. So they got an impulse, direction, impulse, and now should be the correction. In August or in September, it's hard to say. Holo to hold live stream on YouTube on June. What the fundamental news about? So this guys just looks like they just stream it on YouTube. Why not on a Twitch? And imagine they what they talking about. So their price drop to new historical, not a new historical all-time low, but they drop to new low in the last 4 years. What are they stream about on YouTube? What are they talking about? Of course, I'm more than sure they stream it while the last 3 years and talk about we going to the moon, we work so hard, but after that, we landed back. So imagine the people who invested here, watched that live streams, for example, they now lost like 600%. Because everybody who hop in here at 0.205, the price shoot downs 600% up. So what are you streaming about? It's weird. It's absolutely weird. We need some actions. We need some price movement, not just trash talk on a YouTube. Money outflow, no money inflow. It's kind of bad. RSI bullish the words it was in June at the low. Now nothing. Absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Here's another one. Money in, money outflow. Let's add alerts at least to the money power indicator and the money inflow. So my targets I showed you. Do I believe we're gonna drop once again? Not. But if we will, it's gonna be just amazing. Just an amazing. Last indicator, guys. Trade on, take profit. Take profit I already showed you. Trade on. What do we got here? No data on the weekly, daily. Daily also. No data for the trade on indicator. Let me show them maybe on the oldest one chart we get some data. No data. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment. What is your target for HOT? Highly recommend you go and check the first video about HOT and share your thoughts about this token. Do you believe in the performance of this token to 1 cent or not, to 2 cents, to 3 billion market capitalization? If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.